Street takeover? This is insane. There's so many people here. Don't hit anything, dude.
I think he copied my rap, bro.
What up, girl? What up, dude? What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to the channel. We've got Street Takeover tonight. It's gonna be a sick car show. And your boy's running late. What is happening? What is happening? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Tonight, it's Sunday evening and we're heading to Street Takeover at Detail Garage Charlotte. So they throw this car show every now and then. I think it's like once a month, maybe not even that. I haven't been to one in a long time, but I have a lot of friends that are coming out. I know my friend Vinny with the Purple Performante will be there, as well as a bunch of other people. I'm just gonna head out. I haven't done a night show in a minute. I'm gonna vlog the shit out of this and we're just gonna have a good time, man. The thick whip is extra dirty. Judge-free zone, I'm heading to the gas station. Touchless car wash. We're just gonna run through it, get a touchless car wash real quick to get some of the dust and stuff off the car. And then I gotta meet Andres, that F30, back at the apartment, and then we're gonna head down to the show. Who's triggered right now? Who's triggered right now? Oh God. I know what you're thinking. John, how could you take the thick whip into a gas station car wash? You guys, I have no time. I have no time. So we're just gonna make this real quick. It's touchless, at least it's touchless. You know, it's not like they're like rubbing the car on their nasty ass mitts. It's touchless, so it's harmless, it's just water. I don't think the soaps are necessarily good for your car, but honestly, dude, the ceramic coating on this car just repels everything, so I really just needed to kind of get it wet real quick. That's what she said. Just needed to get it wet real quick and use their dryer. So get it wet and blow, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, if you guys don't get on the ceramic coating game, you are just dropping the ball. You are just not on it. It's so easy to wash the car. The water just literally falls right off the car. All you gotta do to dry it is just drive it. All you gotta do to dry it is just drive it. Should make a shirt out of that. It should be a t-shirt or something. Is that a Supra, Doc? Get it? Since the Supra is a BMW. Oh, we got all the boys out here, that F30. Let's roll. All right, we are at the show. There's literally no parking, hundreds of cars, no parking at all. Got that F30 behind me. Dude, this is insane. Insane. Street takeover? This is insane. There's so many people here. We're parked like in Venezuela. We're so far out. Color on this Hyundai. Super sick. Look at all the minis. Dude, the minis gang up.
don't hit anything, dude.
That thing's nasty, bro. Oof. Mean.
I think he copied my rap, bro.
Just play it, just play it.
Is that red, black, iridescent?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, the white McLaren.
That thing fucks.
Yeah, that's my brake color.
Woo! That orange?
You like that?
No, I do like that. That would look good on your car. Two-step. Damn, that car's sick.